Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect your stress management with Talkspace step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the Talkspace website or downloading the app from your device's app store. Create an account by providing your email address and a secure password. Take a brief questionnaire that assesses your stress levels and mental health needs. Based on your responses, Talkspace will match you with a licensed therapist who specializes in managing stress. Review your therapist's profile, including their qualifications and areas of expertise. Once you find a suitable therapist, select a plan that fits your budget and time requirements. Proceed to make your payment through the secure transaction process. After payment, schedule your first session at a time that works for you. Prepare for your session by identifying specific stressors you would like to discuss. During the session, be open and honest about your feelings and experiences related to stress. Your therapist may suggest techniques and coping strategies to help manage your stress moving forward. Follow up with your therapist as needed, utilizing messaging for additional support between sessions. Take time to practice the techniques discussed in your sessions in your daily life. Regularly assess your progress and adjust your approach as necessary with your therapist's guidance. Make use of Talkspace resources, including articles and exercises focused on stress management. Stay committed to your mental health journey and reach out whenever you need support. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation step. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.